What is good? I don't even know where to start. Like, okay, first of all, no, I'm not a man. No, there's no man living in the house. No, none of that at all. But I love the smell. I do. I am weak for things that smell so good. Oh my gosh. It was funny because me and my mom actually went to the store and we was coming across, dryer sheets. And we noticed that this brand was like pretty much almost gone, like this particular one. And I think it was only maybe like 2 boxes left. And we smelt it. My mom smelled it first. She was like, wait a minute, hold on a minute. And she kept smelling it. And I was like, Ma. And she just gave me the box. And I smelled it. I was like, ooh. That's all I could say. And we literally was sniffing this box for a good, I don't know, 5 minutes. I kid you not. And I mean, even though it says for men, that don't stop for women for trying on men things like their shoes, their clothes. Some of their colognes smell very nice, and it smells very good. So, look, I'm very, very weak when it comes to things that smell good. But this is about for men fabric softeners, or you can say like dryer sheets. Either way, your clothes is going to smell good. Oh my goodness. But you can see it comes with 34 sheets. We kind of keep this for a while because we don't want it to like go away, and it's like an emergency, but you can see that's what the sheets look like. But anyway. And it's a 4-in-1, so like if you're dealing with static control, freshens, it softens, and it helps reduce wrinkles. Now, I'll be honest, I don't know about that because most of the times I do try to hang my clothes like over the rack or hang them dry, especially the dark ones. But I mean, the rest of the clothes, I mean, I don't know. Has it? Well, yeah, I guess so. Yeah. Okay. So, odor defense. There's never really been a time where clothes smelled like had a strong odor, so I don't know what it does for that. But what I will tell you is that your clothes will be smelling like this for a very long time. And that amazed me. Like, the detergent I use, okay, my clothes already smell good even though it's wet. And when I mostly put 2 sheets in there. My clothes smell amazing. Even the dryer smells amazing after this. Like, this is how strong this aroma is from these sheets. I'm trying to tell you, this smell is amazing. It stops static. I really didn't have any static when I pull out my clothes. I mean, I never really had the issue before, but if you're looking for something with like static control, try this out. And it freshens and softens. Yes, it does. It smells amazing. I don't know. It kind of smells like a cologne smell a little bit to it. I guess you could say that. And it just gives you like a description. I'm trying to let the sheets come out, but just telling you like how to do it. Look, even on regular loads, I put 2 sheets in it. Why? I don't know. I just like that extra smell. The extra smell good. Like, I think the only time I put 1 sheet in is if I leave like left or something. But I don't know. Like, see, I had a lot of my mom's trades and copied the ways. Like, when she washed clothes, she just put 2 sheets in there. Like, who cares? Small load, big load. Like, I don't know. But it just depends on the person, so, and that's just telling you what to do. I never tried that. Add a new sheet on top. Wait, I think that's the same thing. Like when you throw it. Okay. Alright. I learn something new every day. But okay, let's just let you know. I believe like when you have a phone and you can scan it and see like where it's located and all that good stuff. And all that good stuff. And that's just where you open it up at and ooh. Aww. Recycle, people. That's what I wanted to say. But yeah, and then you have the opening right here. And the wonderful smell of sheets. Oh, that smells so good. But yeah, I don't have anything bad to say about this Bounce. Actually, I like Bounce dryer sheets anyway. This is the only brand I use, but I will sure be quick to tell you this is one of my favorites. Just because it's for men don't mean that ladies cannot use it. I mean, yeah, I got for men on there, but ladies, this smells good. I ain't lying. But yeah, go ahead and get Bounce for men, pure sport, fabric softener, or other people may say, or I kind of say, or I say both, but dryer sheets.